Good day, I'm Angela Hedrix B. Guevara from Grade 5 ISAF. Today I will discuss to you soil erosion.
What is soil erosion? Soil erosion is the removal and the transport of the upper layer of soil by different agents such as wind, water, glacial, and even gravity. Other factors that result in soil erosion are human activities, movement of vehicles, overgrazing of animals, and deforestation.
How does soil erosion happens? To show you how soil erosion happens, I have here 3 samples of soil placed in a plastic container. One container has bare soil, no plants or any mulch. The second soil has dry leaves or dead leaves or mulch on the top. And the third soil has some grass. In this container, there's a hole in one side and a small container. I will pour some water on these samples and we will see what will happen to the soil. The small container will catch the water or anything that will flow from the container. After that, we will compare these 3 samples and analyze which one shows more erosion. Sample number 1, soil only. After pouring the water, we can see that the soil absorbed it and the water immediately flowed to the small container. Not only the water, but there are also soil particles that come with it. As a result, the water becomes muddy. As for the soil, it is really wet and when you touch it, it feels compact and compressed. Soil number 2, soil with dead leaves. The result in this sample is a little bit different since there are dead leaves on top of the soil. It took some time for the water to completely flow in the small container. Also, we can see that the water is also muddy but less than the first one. Sample number 3, soil with grass. The soil with grass is completely different from the 2 samples. It took more time for the water to completely flow. Also, the water that flowed is clearer and no soil particles were washed. From the demonstration, we can conclude that plants and moths play an important role in preventing soil erosion. The more the soil is exposed to any agent, the more it will lead to erosion. To stop any soil from being washed away, we must do our part, which is preventing it by planting trees. Not only will the soil become healthy, we humans will also benefit a lot from it. That will be all. Thank you for listening.